Hi, here's Jerome from JAKWEB. Today I'm going to show you how to finish the setup from CloudJet 3 or CloudDesk 3. These steps are quite important, otherwise the software won't work. So after you have finished the installation process, so installed both services on your server, you need to first log in into your administration panel. We're just gonna do that. Not now. So this is how it looks. There's no clients set up and you're running the latest version. The first step is to go to your settings. You can change your title. You must add your sign up URL. So in our case, that's localhost, doesn't matter. Like that, but yours will be different, of course. And then date format and time format. It's up to you. You can choose different ones. Submit. The next very important step is your email settings. So either use PHP mail, which you can, but we don't recommend. So you use SMTP. For that you need to fill in all the details from your email provider. Submit. And then you will need to test the email settings. Okay? Make sure they work. If they don't work, don't proceed. The next step, go to your locations. There is already one that's an example. Use that one. It's much easier in the later process. Okay, so this location services means it is a connection to your support server, the second one you installed. Of course, you can have many support servers in different locations. That's why we have this option. At the moment, we only installed one. So we will need to connect to this support server. Ours is installed in CloudJet 3. That's of course a localhost URL. So we need to add the database information to this server. I know that it's quite simple. Localhost. Database name is CloudJet 3 and the prefix is like this. If we have fulfilled this information, we can test the connection. Only if this is successful, you can proceed to the next step. This is important. Test the connection to your server, support server. Of course, you can change the title, whatever. All the settings can be changed in here for this particular connection location. The third step, also important, create your first super operator. Under clients, add a new client. So I'm going to use that one. Oh, can't spell my name, so this is how it works. I add a password. I don't need to send the information to the client because I'm the client. This is my first client, super operator. I add that one. Client has been created. And now I can log in to my support server with my just created user. And this is my super operator user. So it has more options than an average client. As you can see here, I have a maintenance area where I have my license, where I can update the server, where I can delete the cache files, mobile tokens, and even optimize database tables. This area only has the super operator, no one else. Also in the settings, there are certain options that only the super operator has, like for example, widget live status, which will change from online to offline on the widget itself. These options regular clients don't have. Also, allowed file types. These options regular clients don't have because you want to be in charge which files can be uploaded and which cannot. Also, your native app token for make push notifications work in the native app. This option only you have because regular clients don't need it. After you have set up these important steps, you can proceed to your sign up page and make sure it looks like you want it and have all the options you want to set up. There is also an FAQ on our website, Cloud Chat 3 for example, and then you have a sign up form article which will explain all the options in the sign up URL and which one you need to edit or change. All right, thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.